Imagine you're a financial analyst poring over market data. You've been tasked with finding the market capitalization of Qonto, a rapidly growing fintech company. But where do you start? Let's dive into the world of financial metrics and uncover the market cap of Qonto together. Before we reveal the market cap, let's understand what it actually means. Market capitalization, often referred to as market cap, is the total value of a company's outstanding shares of stock. It's calculated by multiplying the current market price of a stock by the total number of shares. Why market cap matters? Market cap is a crucial metric for investors and analysts. It provides a snapshot of a company's size and financial health. A high market cap often indicates a large, well-established company, while a lower market cap might suggest a smaller, potentially riskier investment. Qonto is a French fintech startup that offers business banking solutions. It has gained significant traction in recent years, disrupting the traditional banking industry with its innovative digital platform. Factors affecting market cap. Several factors can influence a company's market cap, including company performance. Strong financial results, such as increasing revenue and profits, can boost a company's market cap. Market sentiment, investor confidence, and overall market conditions can significantly impact market cap. Industry trends, positive developments in a company's industry can drive up its market cap. Company news, major announcements, such as new products, partnerships, or acquisitions, can cause fluctuations in market cap. Finding Qonto's market cap. To determine Qonto's market cap, we need two key pieces of information. Current stock price. Qonto's stock price can be found on financial data platforms like Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, or Bloomberg Terminal. Number of outstanding shares. This information is typically disclosed in the company's financial reports or can be obtained from financial data providers. Once you have both the stock price and the number of outstanding shares, simply multiply them together to calculate the market cap. Now that you have the market cap of Qonto, you can use this information to make informed investment decisions or assess the company's relative size within its industry. If you want to learn more about Qonto or other companies in the fintech space, be sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates and in-depth analyses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Until next time, happy investing.